Hello, people. So, yesterday I read this book called If I'm Honest by Siddharth Malya, and honestly, this is one of the most honest books I have read. I mean, like, in terms of from a celebrity perspective, it's all about his a memoir of my mental health journey. And Siddharth Malya truly speaks about, this whole spectrum of topics ranging from his parents' divorce to how it affected him when he was 9 years old, and right down to, things like depression and OCD, having obsessive compulsive disorder, how all of us at some level have some level of OCD, but it's such an honest book, really. Yeah, I when I ordered this book, I was like, I was keen to read it, no doubt, but I didn't expect this level of honesty, and it's there is something really like uh, it'll really touch your heart. I mean, it's I've not read a more candid account of someone just like bearing their soul to the world. So do read this book, people. It's called If I'm Honest, and you can find it on Amazon. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.